Hello everyone, this is Steve with the free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is August 9th and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for silver and gold. It's been 1 week since I posted a video. I am on the daily charts. In my last video, I showed you this bull flag in gold's price chart, and in silver's price chart I also showed you a bull flag. I did expect in last week's outlook for some consolidation to take place in both of the precious metals price charts. We did get it for a day. I'm going to move to the 4-hour chart real quick and just show you that consolidation. This is silver's consolidation between the lines of the bull flag there. And gold also saw a day's worth of consolidation between the bull flag, the red lines of the bull flag there. Now, what made the price of gold and silver, for that matter, move higher was this is Tuesday's news from Reuters about the price of gold's move higher above 2,000. On Tuesday, we had news coming out that the Democrats in the White House were getting closer to a stimulus bill. And just with all that spending, it made the price of, or the possibility of all that spending, whether it's a $1 trillion or $3 trillion, I really don't think it matters anymore. Just more spending, just increases the possibility of inflation and more bad things, quite honestly, even though it's meant for good. The ultimate outlook of all of it will likely be bad if we don't do something with all of this debt. But and rates will stay low as the debt gets higher. It's just more catalyst reasons for the debt to stay low or even go into zero or negative interest rates for the Fed. But I really hope that doesn't happen. I mean, we're practically on zero now. I don't see it going higher anytime soon, anytime at all, really. But as far as negative interest rates, I would say let's hope not, but it could happen. And even but the whole thing is, if it's all catalysts to help gold and silver move higher, there's nothing holding them down at all. And unless some kind of spending cuts and somebody with, that wants to stop spending gets into the government and starts changing the way that we do business, but it just ain't happening right now. So it's just another reason to buy silver and gold, for that matter. And to get back onto the chart here, we have the consolidation level below the 1990 level. We had it before Tuesday, and then it shot up all the way up close to 2080. It stayed just a hair below it. So right now, for the outlook, I expect more consolidation below the 2080 level and right above the 1990 level. So we should see some consolidation in price. I'm expecting over the next week at least. In the price of gold, and also with the MACD, with the price of gold, it is in overbought territory, and so is the RSI, as it was last week. But now that Trump has gone ahead and signed executive orders, it will likely go to court, simply because the Constitution says that he technically can't do that, and like be the purse of for the United States. He directs the funds, but he can't necessarily spend it or cut it or whatever without approval from Congress first. So we'll see how all that pans out. And that's why I expect some consolidation. Plus, we had a good jobs report number. We had 1.8 million new jobs, so that will also help. And it's helping to start back up the economy now. As far as coronavirus goes, it really matters how that is going. But we are seeing the numbers starting to drop. Here in the daily new cases, and of course the death rate is staying below 1,500. So again, we should should see a consolidation level here for the price of gold, and for that matter for the price of silver. Silver shot all the way up close to 30 before it came back down and started to consolidate. I'm expecting silver to form another bull flag here. Stay above the 26.25 level. The 26.25 level for silver is a strong support level. If I move, well, I'm not going to move to the daily chart. I mean, I'm on the daily chart. I was going to move to the 4-hour chart, but this shows you back here that 26.25 was a very strong support level for the price of silver back in 2011, between 2011 and 2013, and then it fell below it, and it was unable to break above it until just now, just a few days ago. And the price of $30 was support level, was a support level for the price of silver back in December 2012. Since then, it broke below it. Well, it stayed above it for, it looks like we could technically say since February of 2013, it was a support level, but it doesn't look like it stopped too much in price when it fell through in 2013. That's the reason why I say that last time it was definite support was in December 2012. So, and for silver, like I expect it, like out of gold, I expect it to consolidate in price. Let me zoom in here. To consolidate in price, create another bull flag between the 26.25 level and the $30 level before it breaks to the upside again. There's nothing holding down the precious metals as far as price goes. With all the spending, with the interest rates, with the coronavirus, except for the possibility that the economy is coming back to some level, but there is there is a large amount of people still out there that are still jobless and losing their jobs as well. I heard in the news that we should start seeing more white-collar jobs losing their positions. So there's still more hurt out there, unfortunately. So really, we just need to stay healthy and safe and just get through this, because I have no doubt you're just like me and we're all getting tired of hearing even the word coronavirus. So hopefully we can have all this passed and put behind us as soon as possible. But that's it for this week's review and outlook for the Free Bullion Investment Guide. I thank you for your time. Again, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and God bless.